Welcome to the Edison 365 overview. Edison's all about empowering organizations to accelerate business transformation, to deliver value more rapidly, and to innovate and accelerate. This is a 5-minute overview just to take you through the solution. Edison is a modular suite. We have 3 modules. The modules all work standalone and all work together. So you, as an organization, you can focus on one end of the innovation process. That might be the front end, the ideation play, or it might be delivery. But the solution is tailored to your needs. If we take a look at the left-hand side, this is the ideas module in yellow. So the ideas module is all about empowering organizations to set strategy. So what is it as a business we're trying to achieve? Then driving ideation to align to that strategy. So enabling an organization to set challenges, for the employees to see those challenges, to crowdsource ideas. Now, those ideas could be crowdsourced just from your colleagues, your employees, but they could be crowdsourced from your suppliers, your customers, from citizens, depending on the environment you're in. The UI is super simple. It's a zero training solution. So it means everyone can log on. They can see what's required. They can see the relevant information that's personalized. They can add their ideas. They can support other colleagues so that an idea that might have already been created can be expanded, can be made to be an idea that's super valuable to the business. There's the capability to discuss, to chat, and to build that idea out. And ideas can go through processes that can be tailored to different types of challenges or different types of parts of the business. So within the idea solution, you've got this capability to create value by driving ideation from all areas of your business and from your supply chain. Once you've got those ideas, Edison gives you the tools to understand which of those ideas might be most valuable. So we have processes within there that allow you to take the idea through processes that enable you to triage ideas, so rate those ideas against different criteria, and then understand which ones are the most appropriate to go through to the delivery cycle. There's lots more in ideas. There's gamification, there's the ability to reward, to recognize, and all of these capabilities mean that as an organization, you can get the most value from your colleagues by empowering them as individuals. Once you've been through this process and you've selected those ideas that you think might be most appropriate to deliver, you can do that by taking those ideas into the next module. Of course, you could take them into other solutions you may already have in place within your business. But if you're using Business Case provides this unique capability to standardize that part of the business process so that all of the ideas can go through a key standardized approach. You can set up templates for business cases, different templates with different scales of idea. You might have simple templates and super sophisticated templates. And templates can hold any type of information from rich text through to cost information, anticipated financial and non-financial benefits, the appropriate risks, timeframes, resource requirements, and so on. And once you've completed the business case for the idea or group of ideas, it can then go through a process, an authorization process. And again, it's defined by you as an organization. So it might go to finance for sign off. It might go to IT for sign off. It might go to executives for sign off before it gets taken forward. And of course, it can be rejected at any stage. But within the solution, you won't just have that one business case. You'll have every business case. So this enables you to start to compare them together. So yeah, it stops you having duplicate business cases from different parts of the business, but also enables you to actually understand, really, if we have enough money, we could deliver this value, but actually we've only got this budget this year. Which are those things that are going to really align to our original strategy and deliver the value most effectively to us? Once you've done that, once you've understood and taken them through the process, authorize them, you can then move into the final module, which is Edison 365 projects. And this is all about delivery. It's about portfolio management. It's about time, quality, cost. It's about risk management, issue management, change management. All of the things you would traditionally associate with delivering something effectively. Within this solution, you'll have project managers, program managers, but you also have the team So the team, again, can collaborate just like they do within the ideas module and all the way through the process. Tasks can be distributed to team members, risks can be owned by individuals, and they can update that information. So you have this collective power working on the delivery piece. But we're really not just about delivery. This is often where the process ends. So we've delivered our project, we all move on. But Edison takes you through to the next stage, which is benefit realization. So at the front end of this process, we might have said strategically, we want to deliver this benefit. Our ideas, we've documented what we think they might deliver. Business case, we've elaborated on it, and then all the way through to the benefit realization piece where we say, this is actually what we delivered. We have owners for benefits. They can update those benefits post-project. So we really get to understand what was the value. And this enables us to really see the true value of innovation to us as a business, and also enables us to enhance and improve this approach so that we can maximize what us as an organization can deliver. So that's the end-to-end piece, Edison 365, 3 modules, all work together, all work separately, depending on your key business drivers. Underneath all of this is the Microsoft platform. Edison has been built from the ground up on Microsoft. So unless you're using Office 365, or as it's now called Microsoft 365, Edison won't work. So we're absolutely embedded in that platform. And this is obviously, if you're using that suite, it's fantastic. If you're not, clearly, it's probably not appropriate. But if you're on the Microsoft platform, we're taking advantage of everything you're already familiar with. SharePoint Online, Yammer for discussions, Delve for profiles. We're taking advantage of Microsoft Project if you want to supplement. We're taking advantage of the Power Platform if you want to integrate with other tools. Azure DevOps, the whole suite. And for management reporting, we use Power BI as standard. However, we fully support a whole range of MI tool sets that may also be within your business. So you're getting that familiarity, and also you're maximizing the investment you already have. And then finally, some key points. We're end-to-end, we've talked about that. We're super flexible. This is what customers love. We can provide recommendations and standards and best practice, but Edison can be configured to support any process. It can be tailored by the customer. It's super easy. So 0 training for the end users, and for the super users, half a day's training to understand how to configure the solution. And what this means is the customer owns the situation totally. So that when they decide they want to change the business process, they want to change the forms, they want to change how they manage projects, they can do that themselves. They can reconfigure and make changes super easily. It's very quick to get up and running. We're installed completely within your Microsoft tenant. It's very easy. Fully responsive. This means that you can use it on your iPhone or whatever other phone you might have, your tablet, your PC, and so on. And this is great because clearly ideas can occur anywhere. And then lastly, we're fully secure. And what does this mean? Well, the data is stored within your Microsoft tenant. So the data sovereignty is yours, not ours. We're not owning any of the data. We're not storing any of the data. That's stored within your already accredited Microsoft tenant. And clearly massive advantages there because you've already been through the security processes. It means you own the data. It means if you decide to change your contract, move away, you still have all of the data to work with. And we're ISO 27001 accredited. Our solutions are pen tested. So you have that assurance that it aligns with your business standards and your IT standards. So that's the overview of the suite as a whole, to paint the picture. And thank you very much for spending 5 minutes listening.